So this is my new little portable washer that I bought from Amazon. I'm doing laundry in my bathroom because I live in a tiny apartment, but excuse the mess because I just wanted to show you this though because I'm so excited. Okay, I gotta get by it here because little bathroom. But anyway, this was $150 off of Amazon plus $75 shipping and handling. Was the best money I think I've ever spent. I'm doing a little load right now because I just wanted to make sure it worked first before I went really crazy. So pretty much you hook it up to your bathroom sink, and then you have a drainage hose as well, and then you set your settings here. You can choose the water level, the type of wash that you're doing. I just did a standard wash this time. And then you can pause your wash, or you can turn it off and on here. So you can delay the start as well. If you press both of these buttons, there's a child lock.
It's a beauty, like a big one. I'm gonna try just a little, but it's working. The soap is melting. So that's good. So, let's see how it goes in a few minutes.
I don't know about the spin part yet.
Y estamos observando cómo de inmediato dio E3. No se ha tocado la lavadora, no ha hecho nada.